Hi, welcome to Anne's Kitchenette. It's been a while, I haven't uploaded any video. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean a greasy cabinets in kitchen or anywhere. Most of the time it's in kitchen when you cook a lot of food and you have oil and residues all over your wooden cabinets. So the simplest trick I try most of the time is a cotton cloth. Take a cotton fabric and little bit of coconut oil. You just dip one corner of the fabric and apply on the place where you want to clean it, and then rub it nicely, give a nice scrub. So after 3 minutes you see that it starts coming off. All the black part, the greasy part starts coming off, and that's the only trick I use to clean my cabinets. And once in 6 months I do that. You can see there's a lot of dirt coming off, and after a while it's not gonna clean it 100%, but at least you're gonna have a shiny and clean look of your cabinets. So you see it's coming off nice and shiny wooden cabinets, and also the color will not take off from the cabinets. So you don't need to apply another coat of color or something like that, or you don't have to buy the expensive polishes from the cabinets from outside. I'm sorry. Let's see. This is just one part. It's kind of hard for everyone. Not everyone can do it, but if you want to save money and a little bit of resources, then you gotta try this. Kind of take more oil to kind of dry it up. Let's see, this comes off or not. This is the second time I'm trying this, and when I did it last 3 months ago, or sorry, 6 months ago, so my cabinets were like all new. See, you need your nails tips. You can see here a lot of dirt. Yes, so it means that something is coming off without taking off the actual polish. See, okay, looks much better. Try this at home and let me know in comments how do you like this tip.